Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. Let us see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and I'll be giving the angel guidance message at last, guys. See what is coming up. Nine of Swords. Six of Cups. Four of Swords. Aquarius, with these cards, I feel you have some kind of troubles. This may concern your work or in your relationship. Something is making you very anxious, confused, and stressed. Maybe in this relationship, maybe because of your situation, and you're feeling sleepless at nights, guys, because of the stress, and you just want to go away from the stress, whatever it is. Maybe go away from this relationship or this work situation, whatever is causing the stress. You are really upset how things are going today, guys. For few of y'all, you just want to take time, reflect within yourself what is happening in your life to get a clear understanding. You just want to stay away alone. You want to think for yourself, think within yourself, and you need time. Maybe some of you all are taking a break from your relationship. You are just taking a walk alone somewhere in the beach or in the park, thinking within yourself what is your situation and what you need to do to overcome this kind of situation. Maybe things are delaying re- regarding your work, in your work, some fulfillment of something, fulfillment of some financial deals, or in your relationship you were planning to move in with this person, or you were planning to get engaged or get married. That in that something is delaying, something is blocking, and you're really sad, and you're sharing these troubles with your friends or family or with your person. The reason for these troubles you are discussing with them, and you want to overcome this current situation. So you are really taking their suggestions, maybe friends or family, whoever it is, guys, and you want to overcome this situation filled with stress and confusion. You do not know which way to go. You just want to run away from all these troubles. That is the energy here, guys. Let us see what is the reason for the stress or anxiety and the ways to overcome it. What is the energy with these cards, Aquarius? Let us see. House, Towers, Choices. So with these cards, Aquarius, I feel the choice is in your hands. Maybe some bad choice you made in your life, in your work, or in this relationship, or you feel this is a bad choice to be with this person, or they feel it is a bad choice to be with you because they feel a kind of loneliness or some kind of isolation in this relationship. And you, maybe for some of you all, you are trying to make this relationship work, make it what to say, a mutual understanding relationship. You are working towards that, something which you are trying to build which is not there. Maybe that is not the energy with the other person, or maybe they want to build this relationship with you, but you do not want to be in that relationship. So you do not have that perfect understanding here. This energies work vice versa, guys. So this is what they may feel about you, or you may feel about them. You want the secure, safe relationship with this person, with honesty, love, acceptance, and understanding. But this person does not want that. Maybe they just want to be there just for the fun, just to spend some time with you. That's all. Not to have a deep, meaningful relationship. So they just want that fleeting happiness, not for the long term, deep emotional bonding or connection. So that is the reason that this relationship may not be working, guys. Uh, and that is the energy with this card. And something is definitely ending with this card. So maybe it is your situation that is coming to an end, this stressful situation. Maybe things may change for the better, to make you, what to say, make you and your person change in this relationship. Maybe you can get back together, by the stress ending, by this anxiety ending, or this relationship itself. So you may break away from this relationship. That may also be the energy here. You do not want to tolerate it any further. So you feel really stressed, guys. That may also be the energy here. This may be what your person feels, or this may be what you feel about this connection. So let us see what is the angel's guidance for us today, guys. What is the angel's guidance in today's situation, Aquarius? Gabriel, it is an angel card, guys. So whenever an angel card comes, it just denotes that angels are there guiding us today. This is the first time I've got this card for this sign. I never got it for the previous signs, guys. So surely angels guidance is there today for you all, Aquarius. So sometimes we must, what to say, focus on our strength, whatever strengths we have, and we need to think clearly, in order to decide for ourselves, guys. So for whatever action we need to take in life, we must have a clear thought first. We must think with clarity in our minds in order to take the necessary action. So sometimes we have to think deeply within ourselves, what is that we need, what kind of results, what positive results we need in life, and then we should take the necessary action with clear thinking, guys. That is the energy with this card. So this angel guides us and helps us to think clearly and think positively within ourselves to reach the required solution. And when we do that, we will learn our life's purpose and what we have in life, what gifts we have in life, and she helps us to overcome our traumas, guys, whatever we are facing right now. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And maybe for some of you all, this stress or troubles may would have come out because of something associated with the child. Maybe you are having a child together. That may be the reason for the stress or anxiety. Maybe they want to start a family, your person, or maybe you want to start a family with this child, but your person does not want that. So both of you do not come to, what to say, accord in this problem. So that is the reason for the stress, maybe for some of you all. So with this angel card, you have to feel your strength and feel your intuitive strength to decide clearly on any solution and then go into your plan of action. That is the guidance for your Aquarius from the angels. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.